Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drones to buy in 2025, then this video is exactly what you need. Whether you're a beginner looking to try aerial photography or a pro drone pilot wanting max specs, I've rounded up the top 5 best drones on AliExpress this year. These drones feature everything from 8K cameras, 3-axis gimbals, to 20 kilometers long-range FPV, and even obstacle avoidance with AI tracking. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive into the sky and see what makes these flying machines worth your money. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone. The Potensic Atom 2 is built to compete with DJI Mini 3, and honestly, it comes close for a much lower price. The 3-axis gimbal keeps your footage ultra smooth, and with 4K HDR video and 8K stills, your content looks incredibly sharp. It's also super lightweight at under 249 g, which means you can fly it without a license in most regions. You also get smart features like AI tracking, night mode, and vertical shooting, making it perfect for vloggers and content creators on the move. 4K HDR video plus 8K photo. 3-axis gimbal for stability. Under 249 g, no license needed in many countries. 10 kilometers video transmission. AI night shot and AI track. Vertical video for social media. Pros: legal to fly almost anywhere. Smooth footage with 3-axis gimbal. Long 10 kilometers range. Smart AI features. Cons: no obstacle avoidance. Battery life could be better in wind. Number 2. ZLL SG909 MAX GPS Drone. The ZLL SG909 MAX is a mid-range drone with a premium design and a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, very rare at this price point. The touchscreen remote gives you full control and live preview without needing your phone. The 4K camera delivers solid quality for aerial photography, and it has smart return to home, GPS tracking, and a foldable body for portability. This drone hits the sweet spot between price and pro features. 4K camera, 6 kilometers transmission distance, touch screen controller, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, foldable design, GPS-assisted intelligent flight. Pros: excellent obstacle detection, foldable and travel ready, touchscreen controller, decent battery life. Cons: image sharpness isn't as good as gimbal drones. Number 3. Axis stabilization. Number 3. 2025 AE3 Pro MAX Drone. The AE3 Pro MAX offers insane value for its price. It combines a high-res 8K camera with a full 3-axis gimbal, giving your shots buttery smooth stability even in windy conditions. It supports 5G FPV live streaming, which means super low latency when flying and recording. The brushless motors are durable and quiet, and the foldable design makes it perfect for travel. This drone is perfect for semi-pro filmmakers and enthusiasts looking to level up. 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS plus 5G image transmission, foldable and lightweight, brushless motors. Pros: crisp 8K footage, smooth gimbal stabilization, good range and connection, foldable and beginner-friendly. Cons: range is limited compared to higher-end drones. Some image lag in dense areas. Number 4. AE60 Professional Drone. The AE60 is a beast. With a 20 kilometers max flight range, this drone can go the distance literally. Its LED screen remote gives you a vivid live view, and the obstacle avoidance tech keeps your flight worry-free. But the cherry on top, the airdrop function allows you to drop small payloads mid-air. Useful for fishing, deliveries, or just fun drone tricks. If you want serious pro features for aerial photography or exploration, this is the one. 8K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, obstacle avoidance, LED screen remote, 20 kilometers transmission range, airdrop function. Pros: longest range in this list, 8K video with stable footage. Airdrop adds versatility, obstacle avoidance, and smart return. Cons: heavier than most, may need a drone license, pricier than entry models. Number 5. AE30 Professional Drone. Another heavy hitter from the AE series. The AE30 is a professional-grade drone tailored for high-altitude shots and long-range tracking. It offers 20 kilometers transmission, 8K camera clarity, and obstacle detection to make long flights safer. It even includes a touchscreen controller and fishing-friendly payload options, making it a favorite among drone hobbyists and outdoor adventurers. 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, touchscreen controller, obstacle avoidance, 20 kilometers range, fishing-friendly design. Pros: all-in-one premium features, strong camera performance, great for outdoor and fishing use, smooth FPV control. Cons: big size may limit portability, slight learning curve for beginners. So there you have it, my picks for the top 5 best drones on AliExpress 2025. Whether you're after smooth cinematic footage, long-distance flying, or creative tricks like airdropping, there's a drone here that's perfect for you. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Potensic Atom 2 Lite, legal, smart tracking, great for content creators. 2. ZLL SG909 Max, affordable drone with full 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. 3. AE3 Pro MAX 8K cam plus 3-axis gimbal equals perfect balance. 4. AE60 long-range beast with airdrop and LED screen. 5. AE30 versatile, rugged drone for pros and outdoor lovers. All these drones are available right now on AliExpress, links in the description.